Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Well, this is a 2017 Ford Transit van, and I thought I'd just run you through each of the locations for any fluid top up. So it's a bit of a starter's guide towards maintaining the engine. So we've got the bonnet open. For those of you who don't know how to do that, you just get your key, pop it in below the Ford badge, pop it to the left where the number 1 is, and then go to the right, and then that'll actually open up your bonnet, and then we can put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Now, looking around the engine bay, there's some obvious things to point out. So here is our oil top up. This is where we put our steerage fluid, and as you can see from the side, there is a minimum and maximum height. Just up the back here, this is our brake fluid reservoir. Use .4 brake fluid, and again, you just want to make sure the fluid is just about the bottom of the neck, like so. Next to that, we have the windscreen washer top up, which you can fill that right up to the top with no problem. And then over the right hand side, we have the coolant reservoir there. Now, as you can see, it's just on the maximum. You never want to go above that, and make sure you never open this when the engine is hot or has been running, because there'll be some pressure in there. Just another thing probably worth pointing out, just down there we have our oil dipstick. So once you're filling up with this, then you've got your dipstick down there. Well, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.